Okay, so we have to click on this website, Shopify. So we are going to start, so we will click on start free trials. It will cost $1 for 13 days. So this interface will show you. So I will click I am just starting and next, and then I will select it. They are asking where would you like to sell it, so we can say social media because we have to market it on social media like TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. So we will select social media. Okay, next. So what do you sell? I will sell dropshipping products. Okay, then we will click on next, and it will you have to select here your country. So I am creating for this store for United States, so we have to click on next. So there is an important step in which step you have to follow. You can go with sign up with Google, you can go with sign up with Facebook, you can go with sign up with Apple, but I will recommend you have to go with sign up with email. So here we will copy paste over email. So we will copy over email and paste on it, and we have to set over a strong password. Okay, we set the password, then we have to click to refill this captcha. To solve this captcha, I am a human, you have to click here. Then we have to solve this captcha. So first of all, we read carefully what are they asking. Please click each image contain an animal jumping or flying. So we have to check this, and next. So we have to check this too, and next. So that is the verified. So we that's a verified. So now we can click on create Shopify account. This interface will show you have to see that, and you can read it. 3 days left in your trial. So we don't have to pay any $1 to use our Shopify store. After 3 days we have to select a $1 plan to use is for 30 days. Okay, so we gonna go to home section. As you can see, you can choose only basic plan. Okay, after 3 days, so now we can use it freely. So we have to check it technical settings. As you know, our courses contain on Shopify store is the first step. I have completed our first step. Now we have go to technical setting. We have to check our store details, our market, shipping and delivery method, payment method, billing information and address, location, policies, plan and menu. We have to check and fill that settings. Okay, so first of all we go to settings, and we will click on general settings. And first of all you have to fill this form. So you have to write there your Shopify store name. Like that, I have to create a Shopify store for the name of, I will, Tanzeel Mart. Okay, so we have to put there our phone number. That would be a active phone number. Okay, I wrote there our phone number and store name. Then we have to click on save. Our first step is completed. As you know, store detail is completed. Now we have to check our market. Okay, so we will click on market, and as you can see, our primary market is United States. Now it's mean it is okay. We have not to change it and not to change any settings on this section. Okay, we have to check this, and it is okay. So we will go on next step, shipping and delivery information. Okay, so we have to click on shipping and delivery. So there will be a settings, then we will click on that general shipping rate, and there is a setting to have to change. Okay, so we will click on that pencil. Okay, so we will click on done. So it's okay. Now we have to click on add rate. So we will click on done. So we have to click again on click and done. Okay, now we have to click on add rates. This is the settings, you have to follow that. Okay, done. So we will click on add shipping zone. So it's our United States. We are going to work for United States. So we will search we will write here United States. Okay, so we will go there down and click on United States. There are 62 state of state. Okay, it's mean whole the America or United States are we are going to work on full of so we are going to work on completely USA, not a specific state. Okay, have to complete this information. Then now we have to add rate for our shipping charges. So if you can offer a free shipping charges, so you have to go with as a default setting. If you have a shipping charges, let's suppose you have $2 a shipping charges, then you can go with that. Okay, now we have to select done. It's a completed. It's okay. Now our third step is completed. Now we have to go with payment method. So we will check later. So we will check billing information. So we will go to billing. This is our billing address. Okay, we have to write over, we have to write there our business address and business name. So my business name is Tanzeel Mart, and we have to wrote there is, so we have to write there our address. So we will paste it. Let me select. So this is our address, and you, as you can see, it's detect everything about my address. Okay, so we have to click on save. So our next setting over is completed. Now we have to go with another option, so we can check our location. So we will go to the location. So we have to check that there is an active